We're talking smoothing cream. It is infused with amethyst and babassu oil. Amethyst is a stone for natural anxiety relief and really helps calm and soothe your energy. That's why we went ahead and put it in our smoothing cream, because it calms your energy and calms your hair. It's infused with blue agave and babassu oil because it really helps moisturize and protect the hair. It tames flyaways and gets rid of any unwanted frizz. I love using this as a heat protectant and applying it at the hair before I blow dry or do any kind of iron work to it. Now, little founder's note, I didn't add any of those unwanted thickeners in there, so it's very concentrated in its pure ingredients, so a little bit goes a long way. This smoothing cream works on all hair types and textures of hair, so next time you're creating that sleek bun, grab your smoothing cream, or if you want that silky style, definitely utilize your smoothing cream.